Welcome back to Inbound Tutorials, folks. I am Colette. Today, we're diving into the world of inbound marketing and learning how to convert visitors into leads. Inbound methodology is all about attracting, engaging, and delighting your audience to turn them into loyal customers. So, let's get started with our step-by-step guide on converting those valuable visitors into leads. Please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel as we increase our viewership with more inbound marketing content for you. Make sure to hit the notification button to get alerts when we upload new inbound marketing content. Before we jump into the conversion process, let's quickly recap the 3 stages of the inbound methodology: attract, engage, and delight. Attract involves driving relevant traffic to your website. Engage focuses on capturing the attention of your visitors and nurturing them with valuable content. And finally, delight is about providing exceptional customer experiences to turn them into promoters of your brand. Attracting visitors. The first step to converting visitors into leads is attracting them to your website. Here are a few strategies to make that happen. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your website and content for relevant keywords to improve your search engine rankings. Content marketing. Create high-quality, informative, and engaging content that solves your audience's problems and answers their questions. Social media marketing. Promote your content and engage with your audience on social media platforms to drive traffic to your website. Paid advertising. Use targeted ads on platforms like Google Ads and social media to reach your desired audience and bring them to your website. Engaging visitors. Now that you have visitors on your website, it's time to engage them and capture their information. Here are a few strategies to make that happen. Compelling calls to action. CTAs. Place clear and enticing CTAs throughout your website to encourage visitors to take action. Landing pages. Create dedicated landing pages with compelling offers or valuable content that visitors can access in exchange for their contact information. Forms. Use lead capture forms strategically on your website to collect essential information while ensuring they are user-friendly and easy to fill out. Personalization. Tailor your content and offers based on visitor behavior, demographics, or their stage in the buyer's journey to make the experience more relevant and engaging. Delighting visitors. Lastly, we want to ensure that our visitors turn into delighted customers and, ideally, brand advocates. Here's how you can make that happen. Exceptional customer service. Provide top-notch customer service and support to create a positive experience at every touchpoint. Personalized email marketing. Segment your email list and send personalized, targeted messages that provide value and nurture the relationship. Social media engagement. Engage with your customers on social media, respond to their comments and messages, and showcase their success stories. Continuous improvement. Collect feedback, analyze customer data, and continuously improve your products, services, and customer experience. And there you have it, folks. By following the inbound methodology and implementing these strategies, you can convert visitors into leads, nurture those leads, and turn them into delighted customers. Remember, it's crucial to focus on providing value and building relationships throughout the entire process. Now go ahead and start converting those visitors into leads with the power of inbound marketing. Thanks for watching. I am Colette with Optimarkt Consulting, your premier inbound marketing authority. Like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.